how MNC is initiating layoff process, how they are firing you from the current project. The plus point of IT industry is you will get more job opportunities if you have excellent knowledge in computer science, in computer programming language, you will get more opportunity. So that is the greatest plus point of IT industry. And the biggest minus point of IT industry is layoff. Once your work done, once project completed, they will fire you. Especially if you paid with higher salary, you are the person, they will start to compute or count your termination day. Most of the organization, if they fire you, if they obey their instructions, they will provide proper relief letter. If you don't obey, if you are not ready to relieve from the organization, they will screw you, they will not provide proper relief letter. The absconding case is different. The layoff process is different. Please don't confuse with both of the things. Okay. If they started to do the layoff, you need to obey. If you don't obey, they will not provide proper relief letter. So that is the most negative point of IT industry. Most of the people, if they fired, they will get proper relief letter and then they will try to get the better opportunity immediately, they will join. Some of the niche skill cases, some of the rare skill cases, they will not get proper opportunity because of the overlapping, because of absconding cases. For those records, those profiles, it will be highly difficult to get the opportunities. So for that case, try to improve your skill, try to find what is the demand in the IT industry right now, search on that, try to find demand programming language and what technology they are going to implement, because right now people are talking about the AI, ChatGPT, and they are collaborating ChatGPT with multiple technologies and then implementing the project. Okay. Try to focus on that, upgrade your knowledge and try to be up to date with your knowledge. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.